When it comes to home mortgages, a little knowledge can go a long way in making the process smoother and less stressful. Today, we're joined by Ricky Boscio, loan officer for Direct Mortgage Loans. Ricky, great to have you here with us. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
So, for first-time home buyers, what is the first thing that they should do?
Speak to a lender and get pre-approved
Okay.
before looking for a home.
What is the benefits of getting pre-approved?
Getting pre-approved kind of lets you know what your max purchase price can be, and then from there, you can really just go look at homes and have confidence when you're going to put in offers, and from there you can kind of create your budget and stick to it.
And now, speaking of a budget, what is some advice for what are things that we should be budgeting for overall?
Well, for first-time home buyers or any buyer, like you have to budget for your down payment, closing costs, moving expenses, setting up utilities. Those can kind of sometimes be hidden, but it's definitely something to think about.
Okay. When we talk about buying a home, we hear a lot about a credit score.
Yeah.
So is the credit score, what's the importance of a credit score, and how can we go about understanding our credit score?
Well, credit score, everybody's got a misconception that it's got to be like 700 or 750 or something like that. That's just not the case. You can have as low as like a 580 for some programs, and that can be a little bit more difficult. But starting point's about 620, and then from there you can keep going.
Does credit score play into how much you have to put down for a down payment?
It can, yes.
Okay, so we hear about a down payment, and typically, historically, 20%, right? That's not always the case.
No, for first-time home buyers, there's a lot of programs out there that the range could be from 3 to 5%. There's some like down payment assistance programs where you might not have to put anything down. But that just depends on the program you qualify for, and everybody's situation is different.
Yeah. What are some of the disadvantages of putting down that amount for a down payment? Like, let's say, no money down.
Well, no money down, you just have a higher loan amount, so that could increase your monthly payment. So based off of your budget that you set, if you're looking for a price point or a monthly payment, that's how, speaking to a lender ahead of time, getting pre-approved, we can work all that out for your scenario.
Okay. And now with documents, I know everything that goes into buying a home, it can be a really stressful process. Yeah. But is there anything, to make it easier, what documents should we have on hand at all times?
Yeah, once you get pre-approved, to go ahead and have your documents like your driver's license, copy of that, your tax returns, your W-2s, pay stubs. If you're a self-employed employee in 1099, that's really important for tax returns so we can validate income. Having those set aside, bank statements, having that set aside can really speed up the process and kind of reduce stress along the way.
Okay. And if someone is looking to purchase a home or wants to find out more information about how to, smooth out this process, how can they get in touch with you?
You can email me at rboscio@directmortgageloans.com. You can Google search me, Ricky Boscio, and I'll pop right up on our business page. You can search me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Ricky Boscio, and I'll definitely respond.
Ricky Boscio, yeah. Wonderful. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
I appreciate it, thank you.
We're back in 2 minutes.